Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to create this image. Hope you like my tutorial. Don't forget to click like button below. I select Quick Selection tool and create a selection around the man's head. Go to Layer, New, Layer via Copy. Select Crop tool and crop the image larger. Create a solid color layer. Select black color for the background. Go to File, Open and select a root image. Move the image to our Working tab. Go to Edit, Free Transform and scale the root bigger. Enter. Create a mask in Layer 2. Then select Brush tool. And fill back color in layer. I erase some unused parts mask. I combine the man's neck and the root as one. I go to File, Open and open another root vector image. Right-click in Layer 3 Thumbnail and choose Select Pixels. Create a gradient layer. Color changes from black to skin color. Select Brush tool. Then fill black color in the mask of the gradient layer. Create a mask in Layer 1. And I use Brush tool to erase the man's head back. Press Ctrl or Command and J and move the root covering the man's face. In blend mode, I select Screen. Hold Ctrl or Command and click in the Layer 1 thumbnail. And go to Select, Inverse. I select Brush tool and remove the other parts of the root. Move the layer 1 copy on top layer board. Right-click in Layers Thumbnail and choose Select Pixels. Select Brush Tool and erase some parts of the layer. Click subscribe and follow more videos. Press Ctrl, Alternate, Shift and E. Or we could press Command, Option, Shift and E. Hold Ctrl or Command and click in Layer 4's thumbnail. Then create a mask in Layer 4. I select Light and Blend mode. And use Brush Tool. Fill black color in mask of layer 5. Go to File, Open and select a smoke image. Ctrl or Command and T scale the image bigger. Opacity 17%. Press Ctrl, Alternate, Shift and E or Command, Option, Shift and E. Go to Filter, Render, Lens Flare. I open the last image. Create a mask in layer 8. And I use Brush Tool to fill black color in layer mask. Create a curves layer. Create a gradient map layer. In Presets, I choose Sepia Cyan. In Blend mode, I select Soft Light. Opacity, 75%. Thank you for watching my video. Click subscribe and follow more videos. See you next time.